I'm Yeye's driver, apart from her business partner. No? Yung yellow dyan sa drinks natin, galing sa planta namin, ang yellow. We used to be office mates at Accenture way back in 2007. Tagal na. Tagal na po. First engagement was not exactly a project, but because we had photography as our hobby. Normally, if you want to take good photos, you always need to be ready. It just so happens that whenever that opportunity for a good photo arrives, somehow Yeye isn't ready. So, so one of those odd times, I said, you want to take a good photo, you always be on your toes and be ready. And then, impact on my life. Large impact na. She's a great partner.
All right, everyone, let's be honest. Who here actually got an invite in advance for tonight? Like 10 days ago. Meron? Wala? 7 days ago. Wala. See? No one exactly, because that's just so Yeye. Spontaneous, unpredictable, and always keeping us guessing. She actually messaged me on Feb 23. She told me her plans and then nothing followed. 3 days later, she goes, Ate Jenny, confirmed na? And I go, anong confirmed again? 50 years of Yeye means 50 years of adventure, last-minute plans, and stories that start with, so, I randomly decided to have a grand birthday party, and end with, and that's how we had the best time in our lives. She's the kind of person who proves that best moments don't come from perfect plans, but from saying why not and figuring out along the way. Beyond her delightful unpredictability, Yeye loves fiercely. She's the tita who spoils her pamangkins, the friend who brings laughter when it's needed most, and the cousin who somehow makes a 321-kilometer drive from Laguna to La Union to her 50th birthday felt like a great idea until we have to drive back to Laguna tomorrow.
So tonight we celebrate you, Yeye, not just for turning 50, but for living every single year with a spirit that's wild, warm, and wonderfully yours.
So, siguro hindi lang unpredictable, maybe a little bit of serendipity, di ba? Minsan unplanned, but good things happen from unplanned things. So tonight is serendipitous. The sunset was fantastic, and it's a nice birthday party. We're all relaxed. We're being fed well. So yeah, happy 50th.
Well, of course, I'm thankful that we arrived safely from Baguio City. Yeye at 50, ikaw pa rin si Yeye na makulit. Siya pa rin yung, kumbaga, any time of the day, any time of the night, kung may gusto siyang sasabihin, tawag siya. Kahit nasa Robinsons, Auntie, ano na nga ba, di ba ito yung garlic na kinakain? Hindi, Yeye. Sabi ko, iba. Akala niya, pareho ng garlic leaf. Yung pala laso na laeng.
When Manong Cesar was still with us, I think he always care for you, being the youngest, correct? And palaging, ito si Yeye, anuhin niyo si Yeye, and something like that.
I can describe Yeye as a very smart, very bubbly, outgoing, very sociable, very independent woman. And we have also that strong personality. That's why we don't clash. We complement each other. And she taught me also to value the moments together with the family members. There are times also that she asked me if I wanted to have some of her branded dresses or clothes. And for me, it's a mixed emotions. I will be happy because I will be able to get that, or I will be sad because it means Tita Yeye is getting bigger.
I've known her Kasi we were elementary schoolmates sa Christ the King. She was one of the elites sa school. Tapos we reconnected in one of our reunions. She had 2 or more drinks of margarita. I drove her home because she was walking really tipsy. I was that scared that, could I drive you home? Yes, please, she said at that instant. So, it was my first time to drive a Subaru.
I want to tell you how deeply grateful I am to have you in my life. You've taught me to be tough in good way. You've shown me what true friendship looks like. Remember all the late night talks, crazy adventures, quiet moments of understanding. Those memories are treasure, and I look forward to creating countless more. You are wise, you are strong, you are beautiful, inside and out. With Tatay's guidance in heaven. May this year and every year to come still be filled with joy, love, and the kind of happiness that makes your heart sing.
Actually, I've known Yeye since elementary.
Nung shy pa ako, di ba?
Yes, hindi lang shy, nerd. Nerd siya actually, parang ganon yung...
Hindi yan nerd.
Hindi, parang nerd. Nerd looking, sabihin ka na lang. Hindi kasi ano siya, very quiet. Saka hindi talaga siya, parang hindi niya alam kung ano yung ano. Pero nagulat ako. After nung college, nagkita kami ulit, diba?
Oh.
Tapos, wow, iba na siya. Parang nag-transform. May alam na siya, te. May alam na siya. She's a good listener. Yun ang na-appreciate ko sa kanya. As in, pag nag-uusap kami niya, talagang nakikinig siya.
I've known Yeye around pandemic days. Ngayon ko lang nalaman na she turned golden girl na just only today. I didn't know. As in, well, sa years, every time na birthday niya, mag-i-invite siya sa bahay. So, a week ago, when she called me, nagtataka ako, bakit kailangan ng gathering? Gusto niya medyo may pabongga konti. Siguro pag tumatanda, ganun talaga. Invitation, just last night yata, nagulat ako ng 50th na wala sa itsura niya. Kasi kung titignan niya yung face ni Yeye, limited wrinkles and fine lines. Yan ang late night. Yung pala yung normal days niya. 10:30, tumatawag pa. 10:30, emergency na yun. Sabi niya, Belle? Ay niya, someone like you? Hoxie, my normal days. Ang normal ko sa umaga, siya pala yun yung normal niya, gabi. He loves to talk late at night. Yun yung, weaknesses niya. Pero sa umaga, ite-text mo yan, di ka papansinin yan. As in, busy hours na yan. And also, ina-admire ko din sa kanila, not only to Yeye, also to Ate Lala. The way they treat each other, especially these two girls. Yung full attention nila sa parents nila is very admiringly. Inuuna nila yung magulang nila bago sa sarili nila. That's what really I like about these two girls.
An unstoppable force of joy, laughter, and she's a living proof that age is just a number.
Yes.
And that maturity is just an option. Nagulat din ako because I thought she's just around 40-something. But she acts like she just turned 35. Oh, yeah. And that is exactly why we love her. She's making us laugh, or making people laugh, and reminding us not to take life so seriously. And no matter how old you get, there's always room for a little silliness. So let's raise our glasses and toast to the unstoppable, unpredictable, and unforgettable Yeye Remando.
Yay!
May your heart stay young forever.
Thank you. Thank you.
I've been asking her kung meron siyang birthday plans for her 50th since December and January. And silence, wala. 3 days ago, sinabi niya, magpa-party siya. Eh ako, super okok ako. Eh siya yung kabaliktaran. Nung bata kami, ako yung mabait. Siya yung hindi. In fact, nakita na lang kami daw ni Mama, kinakagat niya ako. As in, kinagata, talaga dito. Kasi siguro nanggigigil siya, hindi niya ako nakukuha sa kakulitan niya. And that's her way of getting attention. Another way of her getting attention when she was in college. So, I was in Assumption, and it was her first semester, first year college sa St. Paul. Of all schools, nilagay siya sa St. Paul.
Para daw hindi ako mabuntis.
First night niya, so ako yung ate, nilagay ko siya sa dorm, inayos ko na siya, etc. Pagdating ko ng dorm ko, nag-ring na yung phone. On the other line is her, uwi na ako, ayoko na dito. Grabe ha, parang gusto ko siyang tirisin. Yung initial na entry point niya, merong obstacles, nahihirapan siya, magko-complain siya. Pero once she gets her footing, ang sister ko marunong ng mag-break ng rules. Kasi sa St. Paul dati, pencil cut sila below the knee. Lalabas sila ng guard below the knee, yung skirt nila. Paglampas ng guard, mini-skirt na. At doon siya natutong uminom. Yung mga ka-dormmate niya, HRM, nagkokongkok sila ng mga alcohol. Dala-dala niya yon kasi nung nag-work na siya, my gosh. Sa Accenture, pinunta siya sa States. Aba, dahil morena siya, in demand siya doon. Marami siyang boylets. Pagdating niya sa Manila, because mataas na yung tolerance niya sa alcohol, ang ate Lala, dadating ng 8 o'clock p.m., 9 o'clock p.m. sa bahay from work. Ang sister Yeye, aalis ng bahay ng 12 o'clock. Alam niyo yung panyo na ganyan, yung triangle na panyo? Tatali lang niya sa likod, lalabas na siya. Laman siya ng mga bars in Manila, in Makati, and in everywhere. Parang nasan yung batang umiiyak at nangangagat at nagrereklamo. In fact, because fully bloomed na siya, alam na niya kung paano i-manage si Papa. Si Papa kasi very, very strict. Ako, pag tatawag ako pa, may assignment ako, pupunta ako ng Mindanao for X number of days. The whole time na nandun ako, ninenervous siya kasi security, etc., etc. Abang Yeye, tatawag sa Papa. Pa, galing ako ng Mindanao, galing ako ng Bukidnon, ng Siargao, ng ganito, dadalang kita ng pasalubong. Wala nang masasabi yung Papa ko kasi tapos na. But ito naman yung kapatid namin na quiet worker. Parang ako lang yung ma-post sa social media, pero actually siya yung from the start pa lang, nagtutulong na talaga sa parents namin, sa house, sa everything, sa household, etc. Hindi siya nagsasabi na, oh, ito yung ginawa ko, ito yung mga natapos ko, ito yung mga na-accomplish ko. Alam na to ni Henry, it's because of Yeye, lahat ng boyfriends namin, hinihingan ng papa ko ng information form, of which kasama doon yung SALN. Pero si Yeye lang yung hiningan ng certificate. Nung meron siyang boyfriend na wala sa amin may gusto, yung father ko na very quiet and very solid, very nice person, hiningan yung isang boy ng certificate, do not bring shame to my family. Yung iba naman, hiningan niya ng NBI clearance. We have to accept that you are who you are. Who you are at 50. We are looking forward to who you will be, how you will be, what you will do in the coming years. Happy birthday. We love you.